Welcome back to Beautyistic. Ever wish you could wake up to flawless skin, looking as if you've just had a full night of rest and rejuvenation? Well, today, we're reviewing the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Powerful Nighttime Renewal Set, a 2-in-1 serum and eye gel cream duo designed to hydrate, firm, and renew. If you're looking for a powerful anti-aging routine to enhance your nightly skincare ritual, this product may be the key to unlocking that glowing tie, refreshed look. First, let's break down what you're getting in this set. The duo features Estee Lauder's exclusive Night Peptide and Hyaluronic Acid, two powerhouse ingredients known for their ability to deliver intense hydration, smooth the skin, and fight visible signs of aging. The set includes the iconic Advanced Night Repair Serum, which is a fan favorite in the beauty world, paired with an eye gel cream that targets the delicate skin around the eyes. The serum is designed to be used as a part of your evening routine, right after cleansing and toning. It contains a blend of peptides and hyaluronic acid, which work together to boost skin's hydration and stimulate collagen production. Peptides, in particular, are crucial when it comes to skin repair, as they help rebuild skin cells, which makes this serum great for anyone looking to firm up their skin or address early signs of aging. The eye gel cream, on the other hand, works to depuff, hydrate, and reduce the look of fine lines. It has a refreshing texture, smooth and cooling upon application, ideal for the under eye area, which is typically thinner and more sensitive. I've been testing these products for a few weeks now, and here's what I found. The Advanced Night Repair Serum absorbs quickly into the skin. There's no greasy residue, which I appreciate. It leaves my skin feeling plump, deeply hydrated, and ready to tackle the next day. I noticed that my skin appeared firmer and more even after consistent use, and I particularly loved how it smoothed over fine lines around my forehead and jawline. The eye gel cream was equally impressive. It has a lightweight, cooling effect that instantly reduces puffiness in the morning. I've noticed that my under eye area looks brighter and more refreshed, and the fine lines around my eyes seem softer. The texture is a little thicker than other eye creams I've used, but it feels like a treat when applied at night. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, both products in this set provide excellent hydration, firming, and visible renewal benefits. The serum's lightweight formula is perfect for those who hate that sticky feeling that some night creams leave behind. The eye gel cream also works wonders to calm the under eye area. On the downside, these products aren't exactly budget-friendly, but considering the quality of the ingredients and the results I've experienced, the price feels justified, especially for those who are serious about anti-aging skincare. Another downside is the fragrance. While not overpowering, it may not suit those who prefer fragrance-free skincare. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a premium anti-aging duo. Estee Lauder's formula is reliable, and these products deliver on their promises. If you're someone who's looking for luxury skincare with real results, this set delivers. In terms of comparisons, there are definitely other products on the market that offer similar benefits, particularly those from other luxury brands. However, Estee Lauder's advanced formulas, especially the inclusion of Night Peptide, set it apart from many others. The price may be steep, but the results, especially when it comes to anti-aging and hydration, are top-notch. As for build quality, Estee Lauder is known for packaging that feels luxurious without being overly fussy. The glass serum bottle and sleek eye gel cream jar give a high-end feel while maintaining practicality. If you're considering alternatives, there are some more affordable brands that offer peptides and hyaluronic acid in their formulas, but they may not have the same level of luxury or refinement as Estee Lauder. A few drugstore options like Neutrogena and Olay have peptide-infused products, which could be a more budget-friendly way to get similar benefits. Overall, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Powerful Nighttime Renewal Set is an excellent choice for anyone serious about anti-aging skincare, particularly for those who want firm, hydrated, and renewed skin by morning. If you're ready to invest in top-tier skincare with high-quality ingredients, this is definitely worth the splurge. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.